some problem in this system. So, and this is common standard. I would say that you put standard here also, so that in this case, if there's some problem,
It is hardly
bypass line. Right.
Yeah.
So current safeguard is SOP controlled activity.
Just put a bypass line, or it will take the SOP.
And trend stop. Yeah.
Then you need to see there is a water is available for that.
Yeah. Competent team. And do you have any pressure gauge here? How do you know this standard is below?
Pressure.
Level. Maybe level will tell you.
Yeah, you will have no water, no level.
LSL 101. Yeah.
There.
101. That's okay. So this will help you, the LSL. Okay, now I will take recommendation and provide. No. DPA is not important. Because
it is a batch job.
Yeah, batch
your operator will be there. It is a hardly 5-7 minute job to open it.
Close. Close.
Not a big deal.
Level will come down, my friend. Level will come down. You see, level is there, no? Level is here.
Yeah, sir. Down. Yes, we have.
Yeah.
Level low and high.
Yeah. So let us.
What is IIT?
Is sampling, inline sampling.
Analyzer.
Analyzer.
That is
Yeah.
Level switch.
Provide the bypass across the standard.
So level switch is there. You can make it.
Inner 2 for maintenance 4.
Occupancies are high, huh?
Yeah. So what is pure water?
They only do PWT.
Pure water. So how do you spell your name?
PWT.
PWT.
PWT. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, I think we are okay. And this is batch operation. No major concern. Batch operation. See, more instrumentation are always dangerous. Huh? Let us not go in the high mode. Okay. Now, second is manual valve closed. This one is closed. The same situation.
What is the you need a bypass, right?
Yeah, by put, no?
Consequences,
Sorry?
like C, likelihood.
Likelihood, I would say yes. Yeah. So many times you can put D, no problem. But severity is less, so that is why we are not much worried. Now, question is this MOV. Do we have the position indication of this MOV? If this is closed, do we get indication? This is closed?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
No, I think not.